Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem that 12 power 4 minus 16 divided by 12 square plus 4. So first of all, here we write 12 power 4 minus, we write 16 as 4 square upon 12 square plus 4. So now this equals to, we write 12 power 4 as 12 square whole square and minus, we write 4 as 2 square and whole square upon 12 square plus 4. So now here difference of 2 square, so we use the formula, we write 12 square plus 2 square and multiply 12 square minus 2 square divided by, we write 12 square and plus we write 4 as 2 square so 12 square plus 2 square, 12 square plus 2 square, this cancel, we write 12 square minus 2 square, so 12 square is equals to 144 minus 2 square is equals to 4, so 144 minus 4 is equals to 140, so 140, this is our answer.